Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
The great associates of Vaikuṇṭha, Nand and Sunanda, could understand the mind of Dhruv Maharaj, and thus they showed him that his mother, Suniti, was going forward in another plane. This incident proves that the Shiksha or Diksha Guru, who has a disciple who strongly executes devotional service like Dhruv Maharaj, can be carried by the disciple even though the instructor is not as advanced. Although Suniti was an instructor to Dhruv Maharaj, she could not go to the forest because she was a woman, nor could she execute austerities and penances as Dhruv Maharaj did. Still, Dhruv Maharaj was able to take his mother with him. Similarly, Prahlad Maharaj also delivered his atheistic father, Hiranyakashipu. The conclusion is that a disciple or an offspring who is a very strong devotee can carry with him to Vaikuṇṭha either his father, mother or Shiksha or Diksha Guru. Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur used to say, "If I could perfectly deliver even one soul back home, back to Godhead, I would think my mission propagating Krishna consciousness to be successful." The Krishna consciousness movement is spreading now all over the world, and sometimes I think that even though I am crippled in many ways, if one of my disciples becomes as strong as Dhruv Maharaj, then he will be able to carry me with him to Vaikuṇṭha.